presenting the Tecno Spark 7 Pro. The phone has display of 6.6 dot and display type LCD. The phone also has Smile Shot. It has 48 MP triple rear camera and rear super night shot. It has super night mode, time-lapse video and slow motion, video bokeh and video beauty. It comes with 5000 mAh powerful battery. It has bigger 6GB RAM. It is powered by 180Hz touch sampling rate, 90Hz refresh rate and Helio G80 gaming processor. It also features latest Android 11, dual front flash and app twin, audio share 2.0 and fingerprint sensor. The delivery box contains smartphone, charger and USB cable, SIM ejector and TPU cover.